What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to another Threadbeast review. So this one's gonna be a little different. It's a blue box this time. I don't know what that means. It's also feeling a little light skis. So I mean, hopefully this is not just some whack box that they threw me. Real quick before we open this box, a lot of you guys hit me up on Instagram and got a lot of the stuff that I wanted to get rid of. So thank you for hitting me up. At the end of this video, if you guys want anything in this box that I end up not keeping, all you gotta do is follow me on Instagram, DM me, and tell me which item that you want, or if I have any stuff left. Again, at the end of this video, I will try on this stuff so you can sort of get a kind of a glimpse of what it looks like. Yeah, thank you for everyone that reached out and took all that stuff. Hopefully you enjoyed it. Yeah, let's just crack into this box real quick. This box is super small and different than the other ones that I've gotten, so it's gonna be really interesting, I think, this time. Let's peel this. I think it's gonna be like mostly shirts or like bottoms or just predominantly one thing. I see a bunch of folded shirts so far, but let me just grab one real quick. Oh, what? This is different in a good way. Check out this Columbia tee right here. Hey, you know, I actually throughout like high school, even our early college days, that's all I was wearing was Columbia stuff. I still kind of wear Columbia stuff. I'd rather have some like chill tee just to go out to the store with. So this is dope. I don't know. This is still up for debate, but tell me what you guys think. This little Columbia tee right here, that's a large. All right, we're gonna try that on later for sure. And next we got this staple shirt right here. I've had staple, I think, in the very first box, or one of the very first boxes that I opened on the channel. There's that staple right here. Pretty nice little logo right across the front. Yeah, nice little staple shirt. That's pretty. I don't know, I'm 2 for 2 so far. I really like the basicness of this one. I've seen staple get a little crazy sometimes, but this is not bad. This one I'm probably, I don't know, who knows, Jack and Jones. This little button up right here, nice little button up. I'm probably not gonna keep this, so if you guys like enjoy that, hit me up, follow me on Instagram to cop this for sure, but we'll try it on in a second. Nice little button up by Jack and Jones. This is also a large. All the shirts are gonna be larges, by the way. Now there's 2 more things in here. What do you guys think it is? Write it down real quick what you think it is, at least one of these 2 items. Boom! The first one is gonna be these shorts. I actually like shorts like this. I don't know, I gotta try them on. I've never tried them on. I've never had shorts like this, but I've seen other people rock them. Yeah, these shorts right here, who are these by? Let's see. Alternative, that's all it says. Alternative. These are a size medium. They're like a washed blue, like a nice light blue. It's like a periwinkle. Nah, it's more like a, nah, this is a periwinkle for sure, I think, or a slate blue. This is like what my phone looks like, the slate blue. So the last thing in this box is, it's a hat with, I don't know what this symbol is. Is that a light tower, a beak? It looks like a clown hat, like one of those like clown hats. I don't know what that is, but it's by Tango Hotel. It's a snapback by Tango Hotel. I know it looks like an eye. Like I don't know what that is. It looks like a light tower to me. I don't know what symbol that is. Or it's just like an upside down exclamation point. But it's by Tango Hotel. It's got Tango Hotel written on the inside as well. Nice little snapback. Well, we'll try that on as well. Green brim underneath. And I think that's it. I was expecting a worse box because it was smaller, but I don't know. Before I go try that on, let me know below if you think this box was dope or not. If it was whatever package you end up getting, would you be okay with getting those items inside your box? But whatever, let's go try this out right now and see how it looks. I've been waiting for a long time for this. I'm out of the cave now. Hey, hey. Watch me talk my shit. I still mind my words. Y'all just shop your list. I got some words on my side. Too bad that all of them work. So I had to get it myself. A pedal goes out in the dirt. I just sit down with the stencil. 2 devils in a benzo. Still got the pad right. Shit is all tight. Look like a bento. I gotta repeat. I'm the ghost sheet. Gotta put it up now. 10 toes on my feet. No police. Gotta rough it out. Ain't no quitting now. Better simmer down. Henny in the air. I'ma pour it out. Gotta get it now. Yeah, I've been a while. Had to get away. Polish up the sound. I had to pick up the biz. Everyone running the race. I know they talking for real.
I see the hate in their face. Watch me talk my shit. I still mind my words. Yeah, I just chop your lips. I got some ones on my side. Too bad that all of them work, so I had to get it myself. A pedal rolls out of the dirt. Watch me talk my shit. Watch me talk my shit. Watch me talk my shit. I still mind my words. Y'all just chop your lips.
Yeah, watch me chop this brick. 2017, me and Philip in the dealership, and we cop 2 whips, driving by cops.
All right, so you just saw me try on all of that stuff, and while the shorts I think are super comfortable, I'll probably end up not keeping those. Honestly, everything's in play. Maybe not the Columbia shirt, but who knows? DM me on Instagram, follow me on there. All you gotta do is follow me and DM me which stuff that you want. I'm gonna be giving away items for future Threadbeast videos, so make sure you turn on that post notifications button, subscribe, and like the video if you enjoyed it. If you care to listen, my new EP Headspace is in the description on Spotify and all platforms, so if you wanna go check that out, I would really appreciate that. Thank you guys for watching. Remember to flip that trash into cash, and as always, I will see you on the next one.
Watch me talk my shit. I still mind my words. Y'all just chop your lips. I got some words on my side.